plug in the cord. So I'll try to yeah, there's a reaction now. So it says no signal, but it's really dark because of the it's really bright. So if you can notice, there's what you call this one, blue light. So this is a touch mode switch. So okay, so switch the lights off, on. You can see the reaction, but it's really hard to notice because it's really dark. But I can see that there's no connection there. So I think this one is okay now. The only problem is only the capacitor. So I remove the plug, and then I will put the cover at the back. That's it. And then position this. Need to position properly this one. Okay. Okay, that's it. Just only clip it like that way, and then yeah, there's cover. Only that. Then put back in the just only post this. Okay. Here is it. So the whole so now you can see we'll plug in again. Okay. If you can see, the blue lights is really okay. And then see, if you can notice that is the screen is buzzing. Yeah, there's a check signal keyboard. So there's no signal keyboard at all. Can see this. See. So that's it. How to repair your monitor DIY. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, likes and share. Thank you very much.